Plant of the week. This week's plant is going to be Barbados cherry. If you're looking for an easy to grow plant that takes a full sun, minimal frost protection in the winter time, once fully rooted in the ground, it is actually drought tolerant. But just keep in mind, drought tolerant just means it takes longer to die. It's not gonna grow or give you fruits like this one right here if you don't water. But anyways, this plant right here will get usually about 10-15 feet tall in most areas. Unless you live in a tropical environment, then it's gonna get big. You can actually trim it. You can make it a tree, you can make it a hedge. You can do whatever you want with it. So I have two sizes for sale, and this plant right here actually can be purchased online. You can go to my online store. This one right here, it's a 1 gallon. This is what a 1 gallon looks like. Can get shipped right to your door. If you're lazy like me, it's hot, just go to your computer. A simple click, use your credit card, buy now, pay later. This is what's gonna show up at your door if you buy a 1 gallon. If you buy a 4-inch container, Barbados cherry, this is what it looks like. As you can see, they got flowers everywhere. Barbados cherry trees grow only when it's hot at night. Get that right, hot at night, not daytime. So growing season for Barbados is not really that long. In my area, in the desert, usually it's gonna be late May around September, and then they shut down simply because the night temperatures drop. So growing season is not that long compared to other plants. So take advantage, get yourself one, put it in the ground, keep it wet, do not let it dry. Full blasting sun all day. If it takes the sun here in the desert, guess what? It will take the sun in your area. Keep in mind, do not plant it in the shade. They hate the shade. Now, for the full review of the Barbados cherry tree, check out my channel. I got a video on how to grow Barbados cherry tree step by step. Anyways, get yourself a Barbados cherry.